conclusion, this gadget is amazing.
If you're living next to a river, man, get one of these and throw it in there.
The Waterlily. Definitely was fun to test, and it definitely worked.
I mean, I think that if you're in a scenario to where you're living close to running, moving water, or if you live off grid, it's a no-brainer to get this because you'll be in a scenario where you can't harvest sun, and maybe the truck battery is dead, and I need to get energy.
Dette Waterlily, en bærbar vann- og vindmølle på 1,3 kilo som kan lade alle dine USB-dingser.
Sånn som her for eksempel, det perfekt å bare hive den uti. Skal vi se her.
Vi nordmenn jo eksperter på vannkraft. Spørsmålet bare om denne lille bekken nok til at amerikanske Waterlily leverer varene.
Står her seg selv den? Nå jeg spent. Ja da! Så da gjelder det rett og slett å bare finne seg en elv. Hvis jeg nå går på tur, tar med telefonen, så har jeg da en powerbank som hører til. Så kan du bare fylle opp den mens jeg ute og gjør andre ting. Så kan du bare ha den liggende hele natta. Så har du fulladet telefon, kamera, eller hva enn du.
We spend 1/3 of our lives while sleeping. However, do you sleep well? Or you couldn't fall asleep at all? PEGASI app can also monitor your sleeping conditions and provide customized sleep treatment programs.
My name is Sam, founder of PEGASI. I was a PhD candidate at the Medical School of University of Wisconsin-Madison years ago. I decided to start this company to help those who suffer from insomnia, to help them get out their darkest night and embrace a better and brighter future. Making a product isn't hard. What is hard is to make a product that actually works, a product that can truly help with sleep problems. If you are one of those millions who needs a better sleep, go and get one of these glasses. There's nothing a good night's sleep cannot solve.
We all know that movement is like medicine, but getting the movement you need to feel better can be a challenge. Now you can keep fit while you sit with Cubii, the world's leading compact seated elliptical. Cubii gives you active sitting, letting you burn calories and keep moving in an easy and low-impact way, all while you work, read, or watch TV.
I think it's really important to get people moving, and Cubii is an excellent way to start providing non-weight-bearing range of motion for those who have not been using their joints.
Cubii was named a top 10 gift by Time magazine and has been featured all over the world with hundreds of amazing reviews. Cubii has developed a unique, patented technology that fits anywhere. It's whisper quiet while it works your abs and core, hip flexors, glutes, quads, hamstrings, and calves. That's more than half your body's muscle groups. Using Cubii is proven to expend nearly 85% more energy than sitting. The low impact can assist your rehab or physical therapy and keeps you moving for better health. And you can monitor your progress, see your strides, calories burned, and duration of use, or turn up the resistance. Your Cubii comes almost completely assembled, and it's perfect if you're just starting on your quest to revitalize, suffer from joint pain, mobility issues, or just want to burn extra calories while comfortably sitting.
The nice thing about the Cubii is when I get up in the morning, I'm really stiff between my neck, my knee, my fibromyalgia. It's great to just have a cup of coffee or read a book and sit down and stay in motion and get the blood flowing, and then I feel great.
Experts agree, sitting and being sedentary is the new smoking.